found a new love for succulents. They make excellent houseplants for people that are away from home or not able to water as often. They like dryness, and I love to put them together. I have enjoyed putting them together in different arrangements. I have 2 containers that I'm going to work with. These came from Lowe's, and they came with names, but I work in medicine and I can read medical terms better than I can read succulent names. So we're just going to enjoy putting them together. And some of these I had used for when I was making my propagation station. Nothing has come of that yet, but that was only a few weeks ago, so we still have some time. I am using some potting mix that is good for cactuses and African violets, things that like dryness. I did add a little bit of my regular because I don't think I have enough soil to go around, but we'll be okay with that. I'm going to add on top of it some moss also. I want to fill this all the way up and see how many of these I can get into this additional bowl. These make excellent side table arrangements. They can be forgotten about. You can go on vacation and not worry. We're going to start with this one. For my centerpiece, I have 2 of them that I thought would look really good, but I think this one's going to bloom as it has some stalks. It has a pup. So we'll make that one our middle. I feel like I need a little bit more dirt, a little bit more soil, top me off. Around that, I would like to add some color. Now, I propagated some of these leaves already, but we will use this one. Another real plump one. If they have some dead leaves around it, just trim them off. That's how they're going to get a real long stalk. This one I had taken apart on my last video and found that we have several in here that we can use. To give us some height around here. It's okay to lose some of that dirt, it's fine. This one has an excellent root mass. Put a dangly one, and this has a little root mass. I'm gonna go right next to this one. They like to have close neighbors. They do just fine. It does slow their growth, but it works just fine. And that is all I can fit in this one. And I'm going to do, I'll leave it right there, and I'm going to do this one right here and put some of these towering. Now this one does not have a hole at the bottom, the other one did. of my dirt, make it moist. And I may end up with, these tall ones, may end up with a root mass that is too tall to fit. Let's see. This is a real shallow bowl. It was growing towards the sun, so we will make him stand straight up. It's kind of a Palm Beach look. Taking off some of that dirt, shorten it up. And add it in. Okay, we'll use this one. This one definitely gives it a different look. Can add some moss. This one is actually dyed. I wet it. Help it look good, help it keep its position as I go around the bowl. Gives it a good little soil covering. And I just picked it up from Walmart when I was shopping for groceries. Real easy. I think they're both very cute. Follow for more.